Here on the Aran Islands repairing a cable that links Inishmore to Inishman and also provides power to Inishere. So this cable is a critical cable, one of 3 cables that link the Aran Islands together. This is a world first. Not only the methodology we use for fixing the cable in situ on the seabed, but also the application of some of the technologies we use for honing in and finding the exact fault. The habitat technique that you see behind me here was developed initially for a repair on a 500 megawatt interconnector which links Northern Ireland and Scotland. We have then subsequently tailored the habitat to suit a variety of different cables. This particular cable that we're repairing is a 3-core AC cable. So you can see from a large DC interconnector to a 3-core AC cable, the habitat solution that we've developed here has massive application across the broader global market. We have a core team of divers which we train in the south of Ireland in a bespoke facility which is designed for this habitat and for all the training associated with it. As you can see here, we have a world-leading diving company involved with it, which not only can carry out diving such as air diving that you see here, but we can carry out transfer under pressure diving, we can carry out saturation diving. So we have basically built up an installation team that can provide a service for a wide range of cables and a wide range of customers across the world. In a situation like this, you see on the right hand side we have very shallow water where we can't encroach on the land. On the left hand side we have a live power cable which we can't encroach either. So it becomes a very complex repair. With the habitat solution, it's a very short duration repair. We're able to target the exact position of the fault and fix it in situ on the seabed without deploying any excess cable into it. So it's a massive benefit for the client from a safety perspective, from a cost duration and from a time duration.
We engaged our colleagues in ESB International because we knew they recently had developed an underwater repair habitat. It also meant it would physically have less stress on the cable in that we weren't going to be lifting it onto a barge as we traditionally would do, and it wasn't going to have an effect on the marine environment, which is a very sensitive environment.
This is the habitat here, and as you can see it's a stainless steel shell. So it's lowered down in 2 halves. Bottom shell first underneath the cable, and then the top shell goes over and it's clamped on around the cable fault. We then evacuate the water out of the habitat and we will dry the internals of it. We need a dry atmosphere inside the habitat to complete a cable repair. So in our pressure control room, at all times we will be monitoring the humidity inside and also the pressure inside of this habitat. Divers can then open up these doors and they're able to put their hands inside the habitat and work on the cable. It's a very similar process to an incubator. In this case there will be a cable joint installed on this cable. So the cable joint will obviously be already in there. The cable will be cut and the joint will be applied inside the habitat.
For both ESB International and ESB Networks, this isn't just about fixing a cable fault, it's about returning power to our customers. For ESB International in Africa and the broader global database that we work in, it's about delivering power to our customers, but obviously the goal here is to get a long-term stable supply back to our customers, and continue rolling out the Habitat to the broader global market.
ESB International is a leading global engineering consultancy company. We were established in 1975. We've worked in over 120 countries across the globe. Today we have technical staff from 36 countries right across the world. We work in partnership with our clients. We identify the problem and we create innovative quality solutions that are timely, cost effective. And if it requires world firsts, we will do it.